Welcome to the third video of the series of simple 3D models in Siemens NX. We're gonna get started. It's gonna be model number 3. As usual, we press OK, we begin sketch and choose our plane. It's gonna be a very simple model. We take a rectangle, we add our two primary dimensions. At the bottom we have 45 millimeters. And the height is 28. Now we have two extrusions. We need circle operation. It's right in the middle. One circle. Second one. We're gonna make them equal, as per usual. In this case at least. Now they're equal. The diameter of the circle is, the radius is 10, so diameter is 20. And we can cut them now. Trim. Trim here, here and here. One more dimension. Here we have 12.5. And we make all of these equal. And now our sketch is fully defined. We can exit out of the sketching. And we can extrude our model. It's fairly deep, so we input 30 millimeters. As a distance, we apply it, hide our datum and sketch. And the model is finished.